Effective HVAC marketing strategies. Online marketing can be an effective way of improving and increasing your HVAC business. With the right HVAC marketing strategies, you can maximize your company's visibility among your potential customers. Here are some of the most effective HVAC advertising techniques that can help in boosting your company's sales. Search engine optimization. If executed correctly, SEO can be highly effective in making your site visible among the first few pages of search engine result pages, that too without spending huge amounts of money. Whenever your potential customers key in your keyword or key phrase in a search engine over the internet, he receives a list of relevant links. The major aim of SEO is to enlist your company's site among the first few of these links. Some of the most effective SEO strategies for HVAC marketing include keyword research, proper placement of keywords, quality web content, quality link building, etc. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is one of the most successful HVAC marketing strategies used today by almost every business owner. This is a marketing technique that allows you to participate in conversations occurring in real time in your industry. Social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter are being used by millions of businesses and individual users to talk about topics on similar interests. You can provide your site's link on these forums and discussions so that people can visit your site in case of a query or problem. PPC advertising. PPC or pay-per-click advertising is a paid kind of HVAC advertising in which you pay the advertising company a certain amount of money for each click made on your advertisement by the potential customers. This means that you do not need to pay hefty amounts for creation and display of your company advertisements. You pay only for the visits made by your potential customers who click on your advertisement. Because they have clicked on your ad, they are already interested in your business, and chances are that they will surely turn into sales. These HVAC marketing strategies will definitely help in increasing your customer base and expand your brand awareness among prospective customers. Try to incorporate these techniques in your business marketing campaign and see the difference yourself. Avoid spamming or any other black hat techniques to gain popularity over the internet, as such techniques may make you popular almost instantly, but when search engine spiders identify your fraudulent activities, you end up being blocked from the search engine. So, use these HVAC advertising techniques, and make your business popular in a legitimate way. Green Bigby is the author of this article. Blue Wing Direct provide the best HVAC marketing and HVAC advertising ideas. HVAC advertising techniques can help in boosting your company's sales. For more detail, visit online at http://www.bluewingdirect.com. Article source, https://easyarticles.com/expert/green_bigby/1470053